This is kind of fun though. I made almond flour, and this right here probably would have cost you like $45 in the store. Not really, but probably. So let's make some cookies out of this, okay? All right, so we are back. It is a few hours later. I finally have some butter. Maybe. Where did the butter go? Anyways, we're gonna make cookies with the almond flour, okay? So I got about, how many cups did I use? I used 2 cups, a little bit more than 2 cups, and I got a little bit more than 3 cups. So it's weird, it makes more, which is weird. I don't know why, but it makes more than you would think. Hey y'all, anybody see my butter? Where's my butter? The butter. Oh, it's right there. The butter's right here. Okay, we're going to make our mixture. Okay. So first we're gonna do the wet ingredients. Okay. That calls for 3/4 cup butter. And so it took me and my mama a little while to figure out how much 3/4 cup butter was in stick form. What am I doing? I don't know. Let's just cream that up real quick. Just cream it up. Yum 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 yum. Okay. Okay. Was it packed? Did it say packed? I don't know. I mean, every cup always is packed, right? Right? It's always packed. That seemed pretty good. 1/4 cup of regular sugar. I don't want to put too much in there. That should be right. This is very, 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 very sweet. Very, 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 very sweet. Wow. The dog's licking it. Ah! 1 egg. Which I always find so weird because there are some very small eggs out there and there's some very big eggs out there.
So your recipe can be dramatically changed depending on the
egg you use. Oh. Oh God. Oh God. That is gross. Oh, oven's done. Preheating. It's pure, so. It smells like alcohol. Why does this smell like alcohol to anybody else too? Nothing. My almond flour. My special almond flour we just made for this recipe. Well, I hope I have enough. Ooh. Is that a whole cup? That seems like a big cup though. Oh, well. Oh, 2 of these. Yeah, this is using literally exactly all of it. So, wow, I did pretty good. Unless I want to make something else with it, then. Wow, exactly what I needed. Don't put that in there yet. Okay. Half a teaspoon salt? I don't know. I do have a teaspoon. Seems right, right? Okay, half teaspoon baking soda. Guys, it's really good that I did this because look at all those big chunks that obviously should not go in my cookies. Right, so this is what it looks like now. And it looks really freaking good. Okay, but this does kind of look runnier than it should, do you guys think? I don't know. Should I sprinkle a little bit of flour in there? No, that'll... That's all. Just a little top layer cover to make this more dough-like. So it didn't really do anything, but I'm not putting more in there because then that'll really ruin it, but that's fine. This is fine, I guess. As long as they're not going to, but as long as they almost hold their form together. Okay, now we put 3/4 cup. These are milk chocolates, so they're really freaking sweet. Okay. Chocolate chip in there, let's taste it. Really freaking good. But at the same time, the almonds definitely needed to be crushed up more. But I mean, let's see how they turn out, okay? You're going too, I thought. We're having dinner down there tonight. I think Grace is down there too.
I don't know.
Hey guys, we're back. I burnt them a little bit. Think I need to add more flour. I think the problem is my almonds aren't ground up enough. Right. That's good. Alright, so it is the next day in this two-part series. Shoot, to drop the blanched almond. That's that wrong. Okay, so I blanched these last night and they're sticking to the pan. So I'm not sure they're done, but they're not sticky anymore, so. I have more blanched almonds. I'm gonna grind some more up and then add more flour, more almond flour to the dough. And this is what the dough looks like. It's not gonna make that many cookies, actually. Well, I mean, actually, the dough's pretty. It was in the fridge, so maybe I'm not going to. All right, here we are, back in the kitchen, and we're making cookies. So let me get a good amount and just flop it down like that. I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, that's like hard cookies, I think.
Flop it down like this. And you know what? I like chocolate chunks better than chocolate chips, but obviously I don't have those.
Hope those take 10 minutes to cook. They look amazing. They turn out way better They actually look like cookies. You can tell they look a little grainy. Those are how the cookies turned out. I'm not gonna eat one because I ate one off camera. My sister was in the house and we were eating one. So, they're good. That's all I gotta say is they're good. But if you wanna try making almond flour cookies, you can either go to the store and buy almond flour, or you could do something really fun. It's a process, but it's really fun, is make almond flour and then make cookies out of the almond flour. It feels much more, what's the word I'm looking for? Just like accomplishment, you know? I feel like I accomplished something making almond flour and an almond cookie. Dang. But like I said last night, they were hella good.